Let's see the question number 14. And what is the output of the following code? We have here a print, and then inside of the print we are providing the string CO times 2 times true. And the options that we have are A, CO2, then we have B, CO, C, we have CO times 2, D, CO times 2 times true, and finally E, CO true. And let's open the terminal and see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is CO. The answer, the option B. So, what's going on with this code? First, we must see these. Strings in Python have the following operators. The first one, the slice operator, allow us to get substrings from a string. And remember, we saw this one in the question number 9. Then, we have the plus sign operator. It allows us to concat 2 or more strings. And finally, we have the asterisk sign operator. It is the repetition operator, and it allows us to repeat a string as many times as the number we provide. And we have here an example of the usage of the three operators. Knowing all of these, the result of the string CO times 2 is CO, and the true is just the 3Q.